All right, we are live. Okay, today is hold up. I forgot. Thursday, September 4th. Um, no trades last day, so maybe yesterday one. Market was kind of choppy, honestly, so I didn't take any trades. And yesterday we did have quite a bit of move later in the day during power hour, but nothing crazy. Well, it was crazy, but I didn't see the trade. I wasn't even up at the time, but that's besides the point. So let's see. Yeah. Okay. So today we have news. We have news at 10 a.m. We had news of 8:15 and 8:30 as well. Unemployment claims. And we have PMI coming in. I don't think I expect like a huge move. I'll expect something, but nothing crazy. Nonetheless, um, yeah. Okay. So market opens in about 8 minutes, give or take. Hopefully we can take a trade today. See what we try to do. But let's see, looking at MES, we have this daily, which we're respecting right now in MES. We might be able to push it higher. What we did do though, we took out this high in both. Well, actually, no, we took out this high in MES, and we didn't in MNQ. So there is a an SMT there. But this FEG in the daily is still holding, but probably need a little more narrative. Um, so we respected both of these FEGs here in MNQ, and we respected this FEG as well in MES. We tapped into this 4-hour FEG in MES. We haven't gone anywhere in MNQ. I'm honestly not sure what we're trying to do today, but my idea would be we want to take out these. I mean, we already did take out this high, this high, this high, and maybe this high up here. We want to take out later, but yeah, it's kind of hard to tell what we want to do. I mean, I'm assuming we're bullish. I mean, I'm assuming overall trend we're bearish, but um, we are bullish maybe for today. I'm thinking perhaps you want to come up here, take out this high, tap into the FEG as well, and push lower, maybe to these lows, possibly. We did take out internal liquidity as well at these levels, and this case would be this level. But yeah, I mean, I think I want to see us. I think I want to see us maybe be bullish starting coming into today, but I think overall bearish. It's kind of hard to tell though. I guarantee for me. Um, but yeah, we have this 4-hour FEG here that we're respecting right now in MES, and then we disrespected this 4-hour here, but we did take out this high up here. You might want to see us push lower, maybe, but maybe not. Or maybe higher since we're already going towards this high. Since we're pushing up from this daily anyway. Perhaps bullish. Um, we have VGs here that we respect. Well, this one is still open, so we honestly may want to come down sooner or later to take out these lows down here. Almost equal lows here at these levels. Uh, hmm. Yeah, I don't know what we want to do come into the day, but we are holding up this heavy G here. We are pushing past into the but we're respecting the daily for now as well. But I don't know. I think I want to maybe see us. Well, we took out this low as well here. We took out this low here, and then we took out this low here. But it's also an SMT here, I think. Right here and right here. Took it out in MNQ. We did it in MES. So perhaps bullish in the meantime. But I want to say bullish towards maybe these highs up here. possibly. Nonetheless, that's what MES is looking like. Let's just zoom in into the 15-minute real quick. Because thinking about it, also there's this 1 hour down here, haven't gone into, and then we have this um here, but then again, we don't have to go down there. It's looking a little weird right now, but let's see what we're gonna do. Coming into the day, we have 9:30 open. 1800 Asia and 3 o'clock London. Okay, 9:30 in New York, 3 o'clock London, and 1800. Um, okay, we have London highs up here. We took out Asia high. We have London. We have Asia low here. We have London lows would be right here. Yeah, London lows at this level right now. As we, well, I guess if you look a little closer, we are taking out this internal low, forming a new one right now. But I guess as of right now, there really isn't a low per se. So I just did that away from now. Yeah, okay. And once again here as well, we have London highs. Check out Asia high already. We have London. No, we have Asia lows here, and London low would be once again around this level right here, which we haven't done anything. So we have similar structure within MES and MNQ. Um, but we do, right, if I do look into it, we do have built up liquidity at these levels. So if we do want to go down, if we do want to come back down and maybe take out these internal lows, maybe here, these levels, we want to take out internal liquidity sitting up here first. Up here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here as well. Yeah, I guess we want to see manipulation, see where we go. And see where we head to. Because there's also built up liquidity sitting here at these levels too. Might want to push up to these today. Possibly, but gotta look and observe. Because we already tapped into this 4 hours, so we might want to push higher. And then in MNQ, there is no FEGs here. Except this one, which we did disrespect, so we might be pushing higher as well right now. So yeah, market opens soon enough. Okay, there's manipulation. Seem to be coming down with on a downtrend right here, but I don't know. We took out London high, so we seem to be pushing down. Um, if we are still holding this 4 hour FEG, I guess I want to see us take liquidity at these levels right here, possibly. Hmm. Oh. Yeah. We're still holding this 5 minute in MES. There aren't really any large moves, but if this daily if this daily SMT is still holding, I think I want to see us take out internal liquidity. Maybe even take out liquidity sitting at this level and this level. But then we do also have an SMT in the daily as well going up, which is a little weird to see. Mm. We just took out this high up here in MNQ. Ugh. Wow. Okay, there we go. You know this internal high up here. I want to probably see us tap into London highs, and then what we want to see here is probably tap into these highs up here. Yep, took a London high, large move London high on MNQ, and MES is taking out this internal high here, maybe even up here as well. Yep, we took out these internal highs as well here. Possible SMT, unless we want to come up here, take out this high, and in this case would be London high here. Yep, we took out London high there, and MES. Okay. What do you want to see? We took a London high on both. If we do want to maybe keep on pushing higher, I don't know, because we might want to get this high up here and then just push right back down, right? Maybe. Built up London highs, but I'm not sure we're trying to head towards. I guess I want to see us push back down, but well, I would have to see us break below these lows. In which case, I guess that's why it would make sense for us to maybe want to come down to these levels right here, possibly. Because we just respected this 4 hour FEG here in MES, which we already did previously, but it's still holding. And then if we took out this high, then where else will we have go? Huh? Okay, we're rejecting over here really pretty heavily. If we want to keep on pushing lower, I want to see us close below these lows right here. Probably aim for Asia lows, but I would want to see us maybe come back down to these lows as well, possibly. It seems to be kind of slow right now. Um, I don't know, maybe waiting for news. I'm not sure, but I guess if we do want to push up higher, we might want to see us close below. Although, think about it as well. We might want to come back up if if we do want to keep on pushing higher, I want to see us push probably above this high up here. Oh. Oh, technically this thing technically this may be a change in the state in the 1 minute. We do have this pullback and supporting downside. Like this is too not really something I would want to like put my eyes into, but we support it here. But we just took, well, no, we haven't taken on anything. We just have some a change in the state of delivery in the 1 minute, but this could be easy to sweep. So I'm not, I don't have enough to move it off of that. It doesn't seem like moving too much though. I mean, I think we might be waiting for news. Hmm. Huh. Well, I'm tired. So in MES, we took out this high, and we seem to be pushing up right now. We did respect the daily here, right? Yeah, we're pushing past up daily. We did already tap into this 4 hours, so to see us push higher wouldn't be insane. This one was 1 hour as well. We see a bullish trend as well. Yeah, see, no good. Uh, I don't think we have much right now going on. Maybe we'll wait to news to open, or maybe it'll be like yesterday, maybe as well, where there won't be much in the morning, and then they'll just go down the line as well. I think maybe you might want to see us take out these highs up here. There's a lot of general liquidity here. I don't. I doubt we're not gonna want to get to eventually, but when that'll be, I'm not sure. News releases in about 9 minutes, if that's what we're waiting for. Ugh. Oh man, I'm tired. Huh. Trying to see where we're trying to go. I want to say maybe we want to go south. 'Cause we just took out all this internal liquidity built up here. We did as well in MNQ and took out London High as well. I like to see us push down. How how far down? I'm not sure. Equilibrium of this move be crazy. I don't know. Yeah. Would that be crazy? We're ranging a lot right now, though. I'll be honest. We did have a really like large move up here, and definitely had one here as well. But I know we came. Wait, is this equilibrium here? Yeah, we did. We came into equilibrium one of these days. I forgot when it was. Close enough, but forgot what day it was that we came to equilibrium. Hmm. Huh. We're seeing this 5 minute right here, and we're looking very, very choppy right now. I'm not gonna lie. Could also be generating bias liquidity up here too. Oh, wow. Uh, News was in 2 minutes, but yeah, I don't know. Pretty slow today. I mean, they're very slow this week. Besides the rest of the day as a whole, but mm, mm. News releases in a minute, give or take. Hopefully, we can get something set up here. Please show me a setup. We're moving up, right? We took out these, well, part of these internal highs. The jaw is up here. I don't see why we don't want to take these out. I don't see why we wouldn't want to take these out of here. Up to this point right here. Like, would that be crazy to want to do? Let's see, news should release. Oh, huh. So ideally, I want to see us close below here. If we want to go push lower, but if not, then I don't really look at much right now. Good color. We are super choppy. I'm glad with that we didn't. I haven't taken a trade deal, so I mean, I'm glad that I haven't. But yeah, we mad choppy right now. Granted, we are still kind of bearish-ish. But if we do want to push lower, I want to see us close below this low here, or this low right here. Okay, so we just took out this low right here, and we're holding this FEG right now here in MES. Yeah, we just took out these internal lows. I think we might be looking possibly at reversing here where we hold this. If we do hold this, we might be looking to see us push up higher, maybe to these highs. And in this case, we would hold to push to this high, maybe higher, maybe towards the FEG. We just took out these lows right here. I think we might be taking Asia lows. There is this 15-minute FEG here, which technically still holding, but yeah, we just took out Asia low. We're gonna close. We closed below these lows, but and we took out that low. If we use this as an inverse, might be a possible entry here. Similarly here, seems we took out these lows as well. These are equal lows. Possibly pushing down to these levels right here. We taking out these internal lows right here in the MES. Granted, that could have just been news candle um push. Hmm. We have this inverse right here, right in a 5 minute. We took out London highs on both, and we're now taking out internal lows here. Well, in this case, internal lows in MES, and then Asia low in MNQ. Very, like this could have just very well been the loose candle right here, which probably was. Um, but I still want to see, maybe if I see us respect this uh this inverse, and maybe even respect this FEG and push lower, might want to see us come down. Even though we did push below the low, we didn't close below it, so I don't really have much confidence indicating that we do want to push lower. And we did sweep here right now, and we swept these lows, but I still don't see us wanting to come back down just yet. That could have just been a news candle low, and then we push back up. I don't know. It's looking very weird right now. I'm just acting really slow right now. Okay, so we tapped into this FEG over here. Let's say high is here. Although ideally, I'd say it's probably up here, but it's up here. But there's no guarantee that we do want to remain in that zone to this downside. But right now we're tapping into this 5 minute FEG here as well. If we hold these, then maybe we want to see us come back down, but hard to tell right now. Because right now we're pretty much just holding this 15 minute, and we took out Asia low, and we swept already. Well, actually, we might want to see us push back up. Honestly, I think this is more reason for us to think that we want to push back up than otherwise. Oh. So right now we're still respecting this 5-minute FEG here. Fine. Okay, we're taking out these equal highs down here, which I did want to see do. Actually, I think they're not equal. They're almost equal highs. Almost equal highs. I want to see us take these out maybe and push up. Okay, right here. Boom. We respected this FEG. I want to see us close. I want to see a close of the 5-minute, or maybe even close in a 1-minute, and maybe see us retrace to one of these levels right here. An FEG right here, the 1-minute. So perhaps go here, push through these lows. Unless we want to sweep and then go back down, but we'll see how that goes. Because we could be sweeping these lows right here, and we could just be sweeping this right now still, and then we push right back up. So just gotta be careful. A lot of these FEGs sitting here. Also, if you think about it, we might want to come back down to this FEG here. Fill this FEG in. Fill in this 15-minute FEG. And just like push lower into MES. Maybe fill in this FEG as well. Consequent encroachment right here. So there's 1 hour right here as well. Still, we can make down. We're filling in this FEG right now, but we still saw no push below these lows. We could be pushing back down lower. That's possibility, but right now we haven't even. We all I've seen was sweeping so far. Took out London low. I mean Asia low already, so that's not really of much particular importance. We took out Asia low. Came back up here. Wait, hold up, did we? Asia low was here. Yeah, we took out Asia low, came back up here, came back down. The 1 minute. Well, this 1 minute's not holding up anymore, so that's. But we are coming back down to this 5 minute FEG here. I think we might want to take all this low up, this high up here, and then come back down maybe. But this 1 minute is already messed up anyway, doesn't matter, so that's irrelevant. But this 5 minutes still holding up. Hmm. We just took out that high up here. And MES, we seem to be inversing this 5-minute FEG here after the sweeping. I think we want, if anything, we want to see a close above this high up here. A 5-minute. Okay. Close above it in the 5 minutes. Want to see a possible retracement to this 1-minute FEG up here. We inverse this 5-minute over here as well. We inverse this 5 minutes. I want to see us push into this inverse 5-minute FEG as well, maybe possibly speaking. I want to see a pullback ideally. I want to take these lows and then come back down, but gotta see how that works out. But I guess my entry would be somewhere along the lines of this. So pull back to this 5-minute, coupled with the 1-minute, stop loss right here, and we aim for this high. Maybe this high up here too, since we took out all at once, but just keep it in mind. But I want to see a pullback of some reason. But honestly, we might actually see a pullback. We come up here, take out these highs, and come back down, possibly. I'd like to see us come down to this 1-minute up here. I'll put a limit order here. Let's see if we tap into it. But there is a 5-minute inverse up down here. We did tap into the 1-minute up here, but I think we want to come back down to this 1-minute as well. Tap into the 1-minute and the 5-minute inverse, and then we want to shoot up. Tap into the 1-minute. A little lower, just a little lower, just a little lower. A little lower. Looks like we might have already gotten enough from this move. We may not want to come back down. But if we did want to come back down, I want to see us probably take out this low and then tap into this 1 minute, 5 minutes, and then push up. But we may not want to do that. But we solidify this at 5 minute FAG here, pushing above this high. We closed above it. Yeah. So possibly the entry at this level, stop loss right here, and then similarly push here, maybe. Something we do at all for that matter. We just tap back into this. We just took out these highs up here, which would be we just tap into this these highs as well here. 1 hour FEG here as well. Right now, it's tapping into this FEG right here. Possible swing low right here. No, I think I'm gonna call it for today. I think I'm just reaching at that point. It might not even want to push all the way up because we just came up and took all this liquidity up here as well. You might want to push down at that point because we already reached this point as well here. There is liquidity sitting at these levels, but it's already 10:34. Volume's gonna start to dry out, so I don't want me to take any risks or anything. Maybe I'll keep track of the charts as I go, but yeah, I think that's it for me. Even though I could have maybe taken an entry here, I don't know if it would have gone all the way up, to be honest. That's why I would have kept it at like 250 risk. Um, Either way, it is what it is. Volume was pretty low as a whole. Like it was very like it wasn't moving a lot today. But well, that's besides the point. Hopefully tomorrow is better. I don't expect it to. I don't know what's gonna happen. But this whole week has been very like has been very slow, all things considered. Um, but yeah, tomorrow's Friday. Hopefully better session. This week we're still at technically we're at -6, which is nothing really, but that's pretty much about it for this week's thus far. But yeah, that's that for today. I'll keep track of the charts and yeah, deuces.